Hello everyone, this is Professor Smith, and this little recording is going to show how to work the Reviewecon site, which is our assignment for Aggregate Supply and Demand. So after you click on the link that I've given you, you're going to get to this site, and logically enough, you're going to start by clicking Start. What you'll notice is that you're going to be given then some circumstance to analyze here in the text. So in this case it says there is a general increase in the price of raw materials. Now the way that you work any aggregate supply and demand problem is you want to map the circumstance that you're given into the set of curve shifters that are listed in the text. So if you do your reading for this week, what you're going to learn is that an increase in the price of raw materials makes production to firms more expensive. So that's going to affect what we call the short-run aggregate supply curve. Okay, so that would be this curve right here. So what you would then do is you would click the curve itself. So I'm going to then shift the SRAS curve. So I would click the short-run AS curve. And then what you have to do is decide, do I want to decrease the curve? That's always a shift to the left. Or do I want to increase the curve? That's always a shift to the right. Now here's how you think about this one. An increase in the price of raw materials is going to make production more expensive. So that's going to discourage firms from producing. That's going to make firms produce less. So that's going to reduce short-run aggregate supply. So I would then click the left arrow to left shift the curve. Okay, let's click that. Notice how your equilibrium moves from this starting point here up and to the left, okay, with a higher price level, which I can see that prices have increased. And this is actually reducing the GDP in the country because I can see that on the horizontal axis, I can see that the amount of GDP has decreased. So from here to here, and then prices rise from here up to here. So then to check if I got it right, I can just simply click the check button. Woohoo! And we got that one right. So that's pretty much how it works. And every time you get one of the questions correct, you're going to see your score going up, and this site increments by $100 or 100. You can say I'm an economist there, on 100 points. And then I would just click the forward arrow to move to the next question. Okay, so you would work through all the questions to hit that target score, and I will see everyone in the next recording.